Hey guys, welcome to another video. So I want us to consider this problem. It says in the shape below, angle GAP is 117 degrees, KFG is 133 degrees, and angle G is 37 degrees. Then they say determine with reasons the size of alpha. So when paying attention to the schematic, we can see this here is alpha. So if you pay close attention to the sketch, there's a number of angles that we can find. We can find angle HFG by virtue of angles on a straight line. Then we can find angle GHF, interior angles of a triangle. We can find this angle, vertically opposite angles. And then we can find this angle, angles on a straight line. And once we have these two angles here, we can find alpha by sum of interior angles of a triangle. So let's take that approach, but let's do it step by step. So we're going to find angle GFH. So we can say angle GFH is equals to 180 degrees minus 133 degrees, which is equals to 47 degrees. Reason is angles on a straight line. So we can just note this angle here is 47 degrees. Now we can find this angle, sum of interior angles of a triangle. If you consider this triangle, so we can say angle GHF is equals to 180 degrees minus 47 degrees minus 37 degrees is equals to 96 degrees. And this is possible because sum of interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So I think we can note that as 96 degrees. Notice that these two are vertically opposite angles. So therefore this is also 96 degrees. So we can also note that KHA is equals to 96 degrees because of vertically opposite angles. So now we can also find KAH, this angle here, by acknowledging that angles on a straight line are supplementary. So now we can say that angle KAH is equals to 180 degrees minus 117 degrees, which is equals to 63 degrees. And the reason is angles on a straight line. So now we can just note this angle here, 63 degrees. So now we can use sum of interior angles of a triangle to find alpha. We know that alpha plus 96 degrees plus 63 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. If we consider this triangle, therefore alpha should be equals to 21 degrees. And the reason is interior angles of a triangle. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.